Um, I know I've been gone for a while again. um, though not nearly as long this time as it has been in the past. But I have been in the process of getting ready to move. Oh God. Again. I'm actually moving tomorrow. And it's kind of inconvenient because I've been sneezing all day. And I don't think it's allergies. And I don't think it's allergies. I think I'm getting sick. I've been sneezing like this all day long. And it's, it's driving me insane. And, I have to move in the morning. Which means I'm gonna be on an airplane, and just, that's never fun when you're stuffy. And I just woke up this morning feeling like this. So I'm really holding out, really hoping that it might be allergies still, but it really doesn't feel like it. I feel like tired and achy and just and just miserable, really. So I don't think I'm gonna be that lucky. Oh God. So I'll be sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, I feel like this is gonna be a bad one. And it's really unfortunate because I'm moving from somewhere where it's definitely chilly out, but it doesn't snow. And I'm moving to somewhere where it is snowing, and I've lived in the snow before, and being sick when you're cold and in the snow is not pleasant. So I'm not thrilled. I've got a bit more packing to do before I leave tomorrow. So, I'm gonna end this here. Sorry it's short. But I'll keep you guys updated on this one.